Hey everyone, this is Savita Chandra. I am a graduate teacher from Sandeep Student College. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic that one is the transcription. Do you know what is transcription? Actually, transcription is the formation of mRNA from the DNA is called the transcription. So transcription in prokaryote and transcription in eukaryote both are differ from to each other. So in this video, we have to only see this one diagram, that one is the transcription in prokaryote. So let's see firstly what is the transcription. So already I have told you transcription is the formation of mRNA from DNA. It's called transcription. It's called transcription. Look this. Look, maybe suppose this is the DNA. Everyone knows this is the double helical structure, and a formation of DNA to DNA is called replication. And formation of DNA to mRNA and RNA. This is called transcription. This is called transcription. Actual transcriptions occur from one enzyme, that name is the reverse transcriptase. Reverse transcriptase enzyme. With the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme, we have to make DNA from RNA and RNA from DNA. And after that, mRNA involved for the translation. So this is called protein. So we can say formation of mRNA to protein is called translation. Okay. And this whole process is called central dogma. This whole process is called central dogma. Okay. Now coming to the topic, that one is the prokaryote. Okay. Let's see. This is the diagram of transcription in prokaryote. Only one enzyme are involved for the transcription. Name is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. DNA dependent RNA polymerase. So this is enzyme DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Why we are saying DNA dependent? Because it is totally depend on the DNA process. Okay. So firstly, maybe this is a segment of DNA. This is 5 prime. Here look. This is 3 prime to 5 prime. And next segment is 5 prime to 3 prime. So this structure is called promoter. And this one is called structural gene. And this region is called terminator. And this structure is called coding coding strand which do not code for anything. Do not code for anything. This segment name is only coding strand, but this segment do not code for anything, and this is for the structure B. So we shall participate for the transcription. Okay, and this one is this region where transcription starts. So this region is called the promoter, and this one is the terminator, means in the position. Okay, let's see the diagram. First look in transcription. In prokaryote, already I have said only one enzyme are present, that name is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. There is involved three stages. First one is initiation, second one is elongation, and third one is termination. Okay, initiation, elongation, and termination. Look this. This is the diagram of transcription in prokaryote. So look, this is initiation. In initiation, there are two factors are involved. First one is the sigma factor. Actual in this transcription, two factors are involved. First one is the sigma factor, and second one is the rho factor. This is rho factor, and this one is sigma factor. Look this diagram. In initiation, this is the RNA polymerase enzyme. DNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme. In the promoter region, we shall bind with sigma factor. So initiation will be start. RNA polymerase have one condition. State that if I have polymerized the mRNA, so only one segment, that one is the 5' to 3'. It should be DNA segment 3' to 5'. So let's see. So this is the RNA polymerase enzyme which are bind with the sigma factors. Initiation will start. Now after that elongation. Elongation means formation of mRNA on the site of structural gene. In termination region, this RNA polymerase which are bind with the rho factor. So if it is bind with the rho factor, so this mRNA are released into the cytoplasm. This mRNA which are released into the cytoplasm for the translation. Okay, so this is all about the transcription in prokaryote. I hope you will get this all points. Thank you and have a nice day.